As we continue to look at the future of agriculture and developing technology and different ways of approaching issues, we're joined now by Loren Trimble, North America Head of Product Development Hybrid Breeding for Bayer. Loren, thanks for joining us. Let's talk about data. There's so much talk about collection of data, how to use data. How does data help drive the future of breeding for Bayer?
Hi, thanks for having me. Happy to be here today and appreciate the first question. In the breeding organization here, where we're focused on creating new products, we have to focus on the data. There's a lot of different aspects. One of them is certainly around data quality. The more accurate our data is, the better we are at creating those new products and developing great insights on the data that we have. But the other side of that is, of course, is how much data we can collect. Having bigger data sets allow our analytics to be more powerful, and that's something that we certainly have the capability of doing here at Bayer Crop Science.
Well, tell us how Bayer is using this data-driven approach to help farmers achieve their goals.
Again, great question. What I get really excited about here is what we talk about as tailored solutions. When we consider what our customers need, what our farmers need to be successful, it's a multi-dimensional consideration. At Bayer Crop Science, we can offer seeds and traits, we can offer crop protection, we can offer digital ag, and when you have all three of those things coming together, we call that our tailored solutions platform. And in our R&D organization, the way that this is connected is through our data. It's the data that allows our systems to communicate, and it also is what allows our products to be better fit for our customer success. We believe that by connecting the data from and the information that we know about our seeds and traits to our digital ag platform, that allows our products to actually hit the marketplace with a better knowledge package that allows us to have more confidence, allows our customers to have more confidence in our products.
This has been evolving over a period of time now. How has data management and data use evolved for you at Bayer over the years?
We've seen a lot of changes in how we think about data at Bayer Crop Science, especially in the breeding organization. Here we are all about creating new seed products. We're about improving genetics, and one of the most important ways to do that is by collecting our data in the field. Our field platform used to be really a manual process. We had a big labor force. They were going to the field, collecting data by hand. There's a lot of variability when you did that. What we've been able to transition to and how we think about data today, one of the things that we've been able to transition to is taking and collecting more data with imaging. Now, at first, that's just a catchy idea and cool new technology. But what we have the power to do is actually change the insights and make better decisions on our breeding pipeline to create new products based on taking more data from the field and being able to use imaging about different growth stages, about different traits that are important to our customers when we create those new products. So data has changed quite a bit from kind of a manual process to now how we start to use more technology and more innovation to help support collection of the data, but also to improve the insights that we make on that data that comes into our systems.
So with all this data available, what type of data is most useful?
There's a couple of different components here. It's hard for me to say which one is my favorite. I'm a breeder by training, of course, but that leads me to want to say that genetic data is the most important. But I know that in the hands of our customer, the information that is coming from their farm is going to be the most important data to them. And that's why our field data and our environmental characterization has really taken the next step in information in our programs and in how we create new products. we have to be much better at representing our customers' fields, not only in an individual season for an individual hybrid or variety, but actually how can we improve the stability of the performance and the product confidence for those new products that are coming through the pipeline. And the closeness to the customer is something that we are really prioritizing in the data that we're getting and the type of data that we're using to make better decisions in our breeding programs.
Okay, Loren, bottom line, with this emphasis on climate issues that we're seeing, how does Bayer's approach to data management help farmers from both an economic and a sustainability standpoint?
Also a great question. What I'd like to do is take the opportunity to point our listeners, the audience today, to BayerCropScience.com. There's a lot of great information there about what I've talked about, but also about our sustainability initiatives. For sure, at Bayer Crop Science, we are wanting to lead the sustainability conversation. It's really exciting place, and one of the things that I believe separates us in the industry is that we are not just interested in sustainability from a corporate perspective, but we're interested in it from a customer perspective. We want to make sure that the developing marketplace and the opportunity for agriculture to be a leader in sustainable solutions, sustainable marketplace is something that we have the ability to do as an industry, and we want to be active members in that. Data is an important part of how we do that, and this is a fastly evolving space, and collecting new types of data is something that we're looking at doing every day to make sure that we can be successful and our customers can be successful in the future of agriculture.
That's Loren Trimble, North America Head of Product Development Hybrid Breeding for Bayer. Thanks, Loren.